Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to continue the part 4 video to explanation video about pandas library in Python code. In the last time I show you how can we download, also how can we create a data frame and the data types of that pandas read and change it into a data frame, panda data frame. I show you the types of data we can use, and then also in these two parts I show you the way we can index the panda libraries. And in today's video I will going to continue some other stuffs that I know, understand it, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see here, we can use many types of boolean, and then we can index it by that, and it will going to show us here that have only true value. And then also we can use many boolean as we want. Let's say let's add another boolean, and let's surround this by this is inside of this tuple, this bracket, and then this is one tuple. This will have one true value or false, and this also the same. And we want to have both combine both and get some boolean, combine two booleans. If this comes true and if this comes false, we're going to be true, and then let's also say another boolean. Let's use and then let's create another boolean, and we want to, let's say, to index in year of 1917 population df I copied and let me paste it here. And then also we want to be this one also another tuple, and then we can say or and then I will explain you after I write it down the code. Okay, and let's say we want to see the growing rate more than 1, and here let's say more than, or more than, I'm just randomly choosing, or let's use for this one under 15, 1 2 3, let's say 15,000 under 50, or let's say 50 million. No, I'm just kidding. 3, okay, let's just say 5 million in 1917, and then let's say the growing rate is less than 1, and let me explain you what's going to happen. This will going to be find the content. Let's change it to let's change it to maybe okay, just for this example let's see Asia. And let me explain. Okay, the code going to find the populations that have more than 10 billion. I mean, let me just this one, let me more than 1 million, and or it is in our area. Doesn't have to be Asia, but if the population is more than 10 million, we're going to consider to be seen here. And then after that, if those some value are contained true here, and then this one, if this one is true, and if this one is true, and then also if this one is true, we're going to show that have true here. And I think this is extra bracket. Oh yeah, I think it's not, I use the wrong bracket. Okay, and then also we're going to see the population that have less than 5 million, and then also you're going to see the growing rate is more than 1, and you're going to only I'm sorry, I missed this one. Okay, you're going to only show us if this is qualification is have it. And let me just run this one. Okay, as you can see here, those data qualified, and I'm just randomly choose it. What I want to show you is you can change it whatever feature you wanted to index, and then you can play with it, or you can, if you are working with a big data, you have to learn to index many types of way to find the real data you want to see. And by using Panda, you can do that very easily. And I think this is very helpful. Okay, you can also this is one way to index, and this is very helpful if you want to do that. Okay, also you can also give the variable for this data you're seeing here. Let's call it x equal to, and then if I run this one, and if I want to see the x will going to be have this variable here. Those are qualified by this, and I think this is very helpful again. And you can change it. Maybe let's change this to 5 billion. Let's change this also into another. As you can see here, you can play with it, and or you can also just use, if you want to use end statement instead of or, and this make it more less data. I can change this also to end. As you can see here, this is only the data that qualified this qualification, and you can play with it. And then also let me show you something here. Let's say you want to change something here, and somehow let's say let's see the data. To see the data, you can just say head, and then it will show you the first 5 one, or you can also specify how much you want to see. Let's say 56. You can do that. But if let's say if we want to change the first let's say, I don't know about this country, but we want to change this country some numbers. Let's say the world population is 100%. This is just imagination. We can do that by just saying df, and then to index it. You know what, before I show you that, changing the before I show you the changing the value from the data frame, let me introduce you something called loc and iloc. This help you also to index the variable. Okay, let's say df location. Loc stand for location, I think. And then we can say df I just pasted here. Oh, what are these? Oh, I'm sorry. I think I'm wrong here. Okay, let's say we want to see this column here. We can do that by just saying country column this will going to be show us let's remind ourselves what's the data look like. As you can see here, the data is looks like here, and then it will going to show us this row. And also, let's say we want to see the from third one up to the 10th. We can do that by using this. Sorry, I think, yep, I'm right. Okay, it's because it's only show us the 5 one. It's because I say 5 to 5, that's why. Okay, as you can see here, you can see like this. And if you, let's say we want to see 2022 up to 1970 population. If you want to see that, we have to count first 1 0 1 2 3 4, so 5 up to 11 12, so 4 5 6 up to 11, and I'll explain you how that work. Oh, got you. Can do. Oh, I'm getting error, but I don't know why. Why? I think that's because we don't have that much data. I don't know. 2 3 4 5 6 0 1 2 3 4 5, maybe 5 onto the rest. Okay, I got it. I think it is because we have to use maybe their name, if that work. I'm also confused. Maybe we have to use iLook instead of this one. Yep, we have to use their column name to index it, and let me explain what did I just did here. Okay, the first one is we're going to be index our row, so we're going to index from 5 up to 10 here, and then the second one is the separator with this bracket, comma. We're going to start with 2020 population here up to the 1917 population, and I hope if we use iLook we can do by the number. Maybe that work. I'm not sure, but let's just try out. Yep, it's work. And if you use iLook, you have to index it by their index number, and I think in here iLook is work by the number is because the row index is a number, so this 5 is 5 and 10 is 10. 10 is not here. It's because that one is, let's use I for now. And in the next part I will explain this topic very deeply. I think it is hard to just give you two topics in one video, so I will explain this topic in the next video. I'll see you there. Goodbye.